Hi everybody, I'm recording this video to show you how to access the KBCC library database from your homes. So from the main page, please go to Quick Links and then to Library. Once you are in the library on the library website, click to A to Z list of databases, and you have all the databases arranged alphabetically. There are several databases that I recommend. One is Academic Search Complete, which is a big database with all types of sources. The other one is Gale Virtual Reference Library, which is a database that you can use instead of Wikipedia. Another one is JSTOR, which is a database that has very good articles. Another one is LexisNexis, a database for newspapers and magazines, so in case you want to write about current events. Opposing Viewpoints in Context, which is a database that gives you the two opposite sides of an issue. And Project Muse, which again, just like JSTOR, is an important database. So let's choose Academic Search Complete. This is the most popular. Once you click on the database, the computer will ask you to put in your barcode. You can find the library barcode on your student ID. It's usually a long number. And once you type it in and you press enter, you get into the database. Make sure that for all databases, you look for the full text. And in some cases, you can also choose the language. You can choose the type of publication, obviously. And you can choose the dates between which you want to look for that kind of information. And the type of document, and other things, as you can see. And then you can type in your keywords. So let's say we are looking for teaching styles. You click in and you click search, and you have a list of documents. Under each document you can see some keywords. So first read the keywords. If they are interesting to you, if the title is interesting and the keywords are interesting, then you can click on the source. So let's say I want to select this second source. It's about college students and teaching methods in college. And if you can see here, it says Pakistan and Pakistan, so it may not be the best source. Maybe this is about research in Pakistan, so I will probably avoid it. So let's look for another one. Maybe this one will be better. I'm going to click on it. Once you click on a source, please look for the abstract, synopsis, or summary. And please read that particular synopsis or abstract or summary before you open the source, just to see whether you need that source, whether it's useful for you or not. Note that on the side you have something that says Cite. If you click on it, this gives you the citation for your works cited page, and you can look for the MLA format in the list of citations that the database provides you for that article. My computer is a little bit slow now, so we'll have to wait. And then you can find the text of your article, usually on the left side, either as a PDF or as a HTML text. If you read the article and you find it interesting, make sure you download it on your own computer and you save it on your own computer so that you don't have to go look for it again. For some reason my computer is slow, so I cannot really show you the the citation. But once you click Cite, there is a window that opens and you have a list of citations for this article in MLA, in Chicago, APA. Just copy paste the MLA citation. Back to databases, let's choose another one. Let's choose, let's say, JSTOR. Again, you press in your keywords, and you can choose, just search teaching styles, and you can just press enter. Again, if you look on the on the left side here, you can choose the publication, you can choose the type of publication, you can choose the subject within which you are interested, you also have, again, topics or keywords. You can use those. You can download the PDF here and you can cite this item. You click on it, you copy the MLA citation, and you paste it at the end of your essay in the works cited list. If you click on the link again, initially it will ask you to put in your barcode before you enter into this database. If you click on the link, then you can download the PDF in case you need to read it again. I strongly advise you to download it and save it on your computer. Alright, I hope this video will be useful.